NotebookLM can now generate data tables. What is a data table? It is a way to represent data with rows and columns. Think what most people would call a spreadsheet. Technically, a spreadsheet's a full application that can do lots of other things. But just think of like a worksheet in a spreadsheet, or a table in a database, or just a table in general. Like any way that you have data in rows and columns is technically a data table. And now you can create them in NotebookLM. So let me go back into the trigonometry class book, because I already made one of these just to test it. And if you look on Studio on the right over here, there's now a data table option, and create a data table from your sources. If you click on the little pencil, you can configure the things that you want to do. There's really not much in here. You can pick a language, and then you can tell it what information you want to extract. I did one of these just because I really had no idea how long it would take or what it would look like. So this is a trigonometry class book that I use for a different video, and the prompt that I gave it was just to generate a data table about types of triangles and their defining internal angles, because it's trigonometry and triangles and stuff. So this didn't take that long. This was really quick. Like this took 15 seconds, 20 seconds. Like it was probably the fastest of any of these, artifacts that I've created here. And the prompt was pretty simple, intentionally. And this is what it gave me. It's kind of hard to read in here, so you can click to expand, and then this will fill the screen. So again, like take away the little notations down here, and you have column, 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 etc. And then you have row, 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 data table. So just any kind of representation of data in columns and rows. And again, what's in here isn't really as interesting. I just wanted to give it some kind of basic prompt so it could put stuff in a data table. There are a couple of things you can do. Again, you can show the prompt again, which just maybe you forgot what you put in there, or you want to refine it or try again. You can delete it, you can collapse it. This is the big one. And I know that this is kind of a sour point with people with slides, and currently you can't export to Google Slides, which kind of weird, honestly, but you can export data tables directly to Sheets. So you click on the little Sheets icon here, and then this will hopefully open a new window. Yeah, even that was pretty quick. That wasn't created beforehand, that was real time. And this now goes right to Google Sheets. It saves it in my drive, and then again, you probably want to change the title here, but then it's not formatted or anything, but still, it took, let's close this for a second. It went from your sources, from whatever prompt you gave it, to a data table in here in well under a minute, and then exported this to Sheets. And again, this was, a second? So it's like, if you know what you want and your notebook is already set up NotebookLM, you can have a spreadsheet like this. And again, this is really short, but this could be 50, 100, who knows how many rows in here in a minute or two. And then come in here, format this, expand everything, and then go really quickly. So I think the fact that you can actually put it in Sheets directly, I think that's a big deal. Because now I can come in here, I can delete stuff, change stuff. It doesn't really matter now. It's Sheets, so I can do whatever I want in Sheets. And then this has the source references, so that would be, I closed it. That would be these on the bottom here. They put it in a separate sheet as your source references. So I think that's actually really clean, the way they did that. And I think it's really huge that they let you export it to Sheets immediately. So if you have any need for away. Any need for data tables, and I would say that, yeah, it's probably it's one of the most used formats. Again, like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, like any kind of spreadsheet application, they are the most popular applications out there. And then databases are everywhere, whether you realize it or not. So many of the applications that you use are either they are databases or they have back-end databases, and databases are made up of tables and lots of other things. But data tables are a massively, massively used structure, and you very likely use something, have a use for data tables. So NotebookLM.google.com, get to this screen, go into your notebook. You have to have at least one source added, and then you come over here to data table and click the little pencil. Choose your language. It's probably going to be whatever set in here. Describe what you want. You will get some kind of output. You can either keep it in NotebookLM, which I don't know why you would do, honestly. Export it to Sheets is probably the more common thing you're going to do, and then once you're in here, you can do whatever you want with it. Try it out, see what you think. See you next time.